Target acquired. Hunting protocol initiated. I will not fail you, Doctor. Visual confirmation. Initiating terminal sequence. Contact made. Moving in. Target spotted. Tracking down immediately. Subject identified. Preheat mode has been activated. Stay down. Don't move. Target down. Assistance not authorized. Unit reports. Pray down. Any assistance will be terminated. Resistance is futile. No matter the place, no matter the time, no matter the determination you have, I will always beat you. Admiral Fox has been terminated. The oven will be preheating. The kindler has been neutralized. We'll soon be ready to cook. You were just as puny as before. Now you'll be served to the doctor once again. It's a shame you were so young. We could have gotten so much more off of you. A true doctor would stick with his goals. And now, your mind is nothing but ash. A puny, fragile version of me. You don't even deserve to be recycled. Your future is nothing compared to the flames that burn within me. We both have a fire, but one burns brighter than the other. You were lost once before, but now you are gone for good. Completely useless to your team. But now, you'll make an excellent squirrel gravy. Nobody needs the ultimate life form. They need the ultimate machine. Despite being named infinite, your life seems to be coming to an end. Your white fur looks much better as black ash. You abandoned the doctor. Now you'll be melted into spare parts. Your name is different, but your face tells another story. I remember you as Sora. An exotic species for the doctor. I'm sure he'll enjoy you. An old partner of the doctor. Useful enough to consider. Too late to spare. You have a fighting spirit. But spirits tremble, and that is your fatal flaw. I want hair like yours, hands like yours, fingers that curl, cold like yours. I want eyes to stare and to cry when I'm feeling scared like you.